Let's take a look at this Rollator walker by Drive Medical. When the time comes to purchase a walker, quality is always going to be the first priority. And with this Nitro Sprint Rollator walker from Drive Medical, you won't be disappointed. This Nitro Sprint Rollator walker is shown here in red, but it comes in a variety of colors and sizes, and it has a number of premium features that really stand out. Some of the things we appreciated during our purchase decision included the following. The walker comes about 99% fully assembled. After unfolding, about the only thing we needed to do was to hang the storage bag on the front. And by the way, you have hangers both down low under the seat as shown, but you can also hang it up high on these pegs for easier access when you don't need to access the seat. The one minor ding I'll give this walker up front in this review is that the shoulder strap they include is just not up to the quality of the rest of this walker, but that's easily replaced, and I'd expect most will keep their bag on the walker and won't wear it on their shoulder. The frame is welded, so it's sturdy and rigid. It provides a secure foundation at all times. While some walkers may be held together with screws and other non-welded joints that feel flimsy and loosen and squeak over time, this walker feels nearly indestructible. The handles are super comfortable due to these contoured, wide, rubbery grips with side fins. You'll feel secure even if your hands get a little sweaty. Of course, remember that rollator grips should always be adjusted to be level with your wrists when your arms are hanging comfortably at your side while standing, and adjusting the height of these grips is no problem using these big red buttons. Something unique here is that they've also added rear reflectors for extra visibility at dusk or nighttime, and I like that. You can squeeze the brakes to slow or stop, and then you can set the walker in what they call the slow down position by pushing them down one click. Or you can apply the parking brake by pushing them all the way down 2 clicks. This is useful when parking your walker or when sitting in or standing up from the walker's seat. The seat is made of padded vinyl, so it's soft and comfortable, and pulling up the red strap on the fabric seat is all it takes to fold up the walker for the car. The back pad is wide and comfortable, and notice the large opening in the middle that helps improve visibility as you're walking so that you're less likely to trip over unseen obstacles. And to be totally honest here, I really appreciate that it's not covered with an obnoxious, oversized manufacturer's logo. I don't know why so many walker companies think we want their company name announced in massive letters everywhere we go. It's so tacky, but they do it anyway. So having this relatively small, tastefully sized Drive logo is a feature that I wouldn't have expected to matter as much as it does, but it does. Another minor ding I'll give this walker is that it does not include a cup holder or a phone holder. Some other brands include these. Of course, you can purchase these aftermarket, but they often won't fit quite as well as the ones that come from the manufacturer of the walker. And because the frame of this Drive Medical Nitro Sprint walker doesn't use round tubes, fitting it just right isn't as easy as it is for some other brands. The wheels of this walker are large, and they're designed to handle both indoor and outdoor activities. You'll have increased options outdoors because of their larger diameter as compared to walkers with smaller wheels that are just not suited to rougher terrain. The tires are a rubbery material that are quiet and smooth rolling and should grip well over many surfaces. Overall, the more we've used this Drive Medical Nitro Sprint walker, the more we've been impressed with its quality. While we would have liked a better shoulder strap and we would have liked to have a cup and phone holder included, these are very minor dings. After owning this walker for quite some time now, we have no material reservations recommending it to friends and family. I hope this review provided value in your buying decision and that you find the right walker that meets your needs. Thanks for watching.